Hello everybody, welcome to my next tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to open a new window with a button. Uh, First let's go ahead and create a class and name it window 1. Remember to hit this option and hit finish. And we're going to create another class and we're going to name it window 2. Go ahead and click here and finish. Now, first, let's go to Window 1 class and go ahead and create a new function. Public static void show window, and we're gonna create a frame. JFrame frame equals new JFrame parenthesis semicolon. Window. Let's rename it window 1. Now semicolon. Remember to import all the libraries that you need in order to make the program to work. Write frame.set bounds. For now, we're gonna set the dimensions all to 100. And we're gonna later change it. Let's put then frame dot set visible to true. This will make the window visible, and we're gonna start the function on the main. Then we're gonna write frame dot set default close operation, so we can close the program. So close. And finally, we're gonna write frame dot get content pane dot set layout to null. We don't want any layouts on the window. So let's go ahead and open this class with window builder, so we can make it easier to work with. Let's move it over here. Then let's click design, and we're gonna put the window a little bit bigger. That's perfect. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see the code. Okay. Well, now we're gonna just add a new button so we can open the next window we're gonna build. And we're gonna name it open window 1. I mean 2. I'm gonna make it bigger. There we go. Let's go to the source again. And to this button, what we're gonna do is add an action listener. We're gonna write button open window dot add action listener, and we're gonna create a new action listener. Let's go ahead and write it down, press enter, and Eclipse automatically prints what is needed. So now let's go to the second class, window 2, and do the same thing. We're gonna write a new function called show window, and inside we can go ahead and just copy all of this from our first class and paste it over here because it's the same thing. We're gonna open a new window when we click the button. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this class in Window Builder, then close the other one. Close. Okay. Uh, Before you start any program, you have to um, set the window so you can see the window, and call the function in the main so it can work. Now we can go to design. There we go. Now let's go ahead and add a new label and call it window 2. Let's set this text a little bigger so we can see it. Okay, that's good. Okay, now you can go ahead, save this. Okay, everything looks good. We can now go ahead to the action listener of the bottom of the first class, and we're gonna create an object of the second class, uh, window 2, and we're gonna call it W2. Now we're gonna call the function that we just created, show window, and remember to set the frame visible to false, so the first window doesn't stay open when the other window opens. So let's go ahead and run this, and let's try this out. It works perfectly. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, it works well, very well. One more time. It works good. Now if you want to add a back button to return to the first window, so you just want to, let's go ahead and just add a new button in the window builder. Let's go ahead and add a new button, and we're gonna call it back. This button will return to the original window. Now let's go ahead to the source and add a new action listener. Action listener, new action listener. Let's go ahead and press enter. It will print all of this, and let's change this and create a new instance. Window 1 W1 equals new window 1 parenthesis semicolon, and we're gonna call the function show window. And also remember to set this frame visible to false. Alright, there we go. So let's try it now. And yeah, it works. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later on the next video.